In this video, I will show you how to disassemble this 2019 Lexus NX LED headlight. Before you can remove the lens, there are 3 T20 security torque screws on the bottom of the lens. On the rear of the headlight, there are 3 Phillips head screws holding the lens to the body of the light. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that the main black bezel is connected to the lens using a series of Phillips head screws. I will begin by going to the rear of the headlight and turning the 2 headlight adjuster bolts all the way to the left using a 5/16 inch socket. Both of the bottom adjusters are now loose from the projector. Next, I'm going to grab this unit and twist it to pop it off of this upper inside mount. Lastly, I need to push the wire harness through the rear of the headlight. At this point, the projector is completely free and the housing is empty. I will begin by removing this black bezel. The bezel is connected to the projector bracket using Phillips head screws. Next, I will disconnect the wire harness. There are 4 Phillips head screws connecting the projector to the bracket. Next, I'm going to release the wire harness from the projector bracket. There are 2 Phillips head screws holding the lens holder in place. There are 2 Phillips head screws holding the cutoff shield in place. Next, I'm going to disconnect the solenoid wire harness. There are 2 Phillips head screws holding the reflector to the main LED projector. Next, I will disconnect the 2 wire harness clips on each side of the ballast. Next, I will remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding the fan in place. Next, I will remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding the ballast in place. At this point, the light is fully disassembled. Here is the ballast. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.